Hello everyone, in this video I will show you coming core review, right? And whether we will just get a conclusion that it's a scam or it's a authentic website, right? So as you can see here, we are into this website here, the review and discussion that we are going to surround with you, which is about the Kamigo, particularly the products Relax, right? And indicate a mix of positive experience. So there's a there's a mixed review. There are around positive, negative, as well as some scam allegations too. So first of all, let's talk about the positive review, right? Many users reported that you relax, which contains kava, effectively helps them manage the anxiety and promotes relaxation without the intoxicating effects of alcohol. Customers have noted improvement in their overall mood, sleep quality, and a reduction in their desire for alcoholic beverages. For instance, one user mentioned that You Relax has been instrumental in helping them avoid alcohol while still providing a calming effect. Now let's talk about the negative impact, right? However, there are notable complaints that suggest potential issue with the company, right? Some customers have reported difficulty in contacting the customer service. So if you just go to the contact us here on the website, you can see here there's nothing. There's no phone number, no email address, nothing. So you have to just enter your information here. That's it, right? And we don't get any information that when they will contact us, and neither there's any ticket, right, to raise a ticket. If I just go and click on quick help, this is a AI bot, which I don't think it's much useful right now. Okay, so the scam allegation is that the YouTube reviewed, and you will see a lot of YouTube videos on this, also raising alarm about this company, suggesting that some practices may be deceptive or misleading. Although specific details from the video are not available, right? So you can just get a conclusion that it's just not exactly a scam website. You can have a products with them, but definitely when you purchase and have an issue with the products, there's a no any proper method to get contact them, and there's no any option to get a refund or feedback on it, right? So it's completely up to you, and make sure you go do the thorough research before ordering a product here and trusting on it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.